Welcome everyone, thanks so much for joining us. We are live at the Hannover Messe in Germany. I'm extremely delighted to have two fantastic people with me. We have Ankit from Eng IndX Siemens, who's one of our company members with Battery Associates. They're a great partner with Siemens. Yes, we're really excited to have you here as well. And I think for our listeners today we want to talk quickly about the topic of battery passports, which you're both very focused on. You have a lot of experience. I know there's a lot happening in this space. Regulations are coming up, we have spoken about this a lot. But yeah, maybe if you could quickly introduce yourself, what you do, why you're focused on the battery passport, what you're working on, and we go from there.
Thank you very much, Simon. So my name is Yasser. I'm a product owner for Siemens Battery Passport. I'm really happy to be part of the Siemens team for the past 18 months or so. We're working on creating a battery passport that's designed from industry and for industry. And we at Siemens strongly believe that battery passports are a team sport. It's not something that can be implemented on a full scale in isolation, especially when we consider that a battery passport is only the first step. Next comes digital product passports, and it's also part of a larger sustainability vision. And as a part of this at Siemens, we're very lucky to have really good partners. For example, one of them here is my friend Ankit, who works at Eng eXcellence, and he helps us to implement the battery passport live with our partners. So Ankit, over to you.
Thanks Yasser and thanks Simon. So hi everyone, regards from Hannover Messe. So it's great to be here and speak to our partners like Siemens and Battery Associates. So it has been a pleasure working with Yasser on the Siemens Battery Passport solution. So it is going to be definitely a great opportunity for us to work with Siemens and kind of introduce the Siemens Battery Passport and comply with the upcoming digital product passport regulation and the battery regulation. So the regulations are going to be coming in Feb 2027. And working together with Siemens and implementing Siemens Battery Passport solution is definitely going to help our customers to comply with the upcoming legal regulations. So yeah, thank you so much. And back to you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And I think one thing also, I mean, of course, we're very lucky to have you as a company member and see you progress on this, but also see you on Battery Day as well. And I know you're also coming back to our Battery Day. Really excited for this on the 25th of September this year. But also for other people who might be interested to learn more about what you're developing. I think there's some webinar you're also preparing and maybe some events. Maybe if people want to learn more about what you're doing, what should they look out for?
Yeah, so in our upcoming webinar, we are going to showcase the use cases for the battery passport. So how it is, applicable for the responsible economic operator who needs to kind of come up with this battery passport, collect all the information and the data needed from your suppliers, as well as, yourself when you are putting all this information on the battery pack. And also work with your downstream partners. So this is where we are going to cover all the use cases and demonstrate the solution. And maybe Yasser can add a few more things to that.
Yes, and just to also go back to a point you made, the first initial introduction, of course, was made during the Battery Day. So we're very grateful that this gives us the opportunity to meet with Ankit and to start working together. For us, the webinar, we really want to focus on providing learnings from the projects that we have done together. We think that, of course, the battery passport topic is now becoming well known, so everyone knows a little bit about the deadlines. So if you're interested to know a little bit more, what challenges are there when you're integrating, what successes we've had when you go live and when you're looking at the next step, for example, how to deal with dynamic data, how to deal with creating value instead of just looking at the passport as a cost, then we'll be very excited to have you with us during our webinar. More details will come soon. We'll post it on LinkedIn and on the usual channels, so please be on the lookout for them, and we'll be very happy when you join us for that.
Fantastic. Yasser, Ankit, absolute pleasure to have you here. Again, hopefully see you in one of the webinars and one of the future events like Battery Day, and I think there's a lot more to come. So really appreciate your time today.
Thank you, Simon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.